Alright, so got my safety Crocs on. I've been tuning and fiddling with this thing for the last week, trying to get the idle tuned down and engine broke in. Everything seems to be going good. I got one small oil leak I gotta figure out. I think it's the side of the oil pan. And then I need to get a coolant overflow rigged up because I do have too much fluid in it and it keeps puking every time I start it up. Not when I start it up, but when it gets up to temp, it pukes out a little bit. Nothing too major, but I got the brakes bled. I have the steering kind of tightened up. The front is tightened up. I don't have a steering wheel for it yet, so I have some wonderful vice grips double nutted on there. Yeah, we're gonna see if the clutch works and the brakes work in this little section right here. So this car hasn't moved under its own power since 2013, so 11 years. So a pretty big moment here. Let's see what happens. Well, that was pretty big for me. It did move on its own, did stop. Brakes need a little bit more work, but they do work. It seems like this one is doing all the stopping. The wheel wanted to turn this wheel that way, so a little bit more bleeding. Man, that's crazy. So, yeah, it's puking a little bit of coolant. Temps are staying right at 190. Fans kick on at 190. Temp goes back down to 175. Cycles, everything's good. I did throw my seat back in it just for now, but here's my steering wheel. Don't worry, it's double nutted, so I'm just clamped on the one nut, not clamped on anything important. Clutch needs to be adjusted just a little bit. Right off the floor, it starts to engage, so I'll take a look at that and do a couple other little odds and ends. Pretty crazy.